Hey guys, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for the Dyno stand, we happen to have one of our Whipple Supercharged Godzilla builds. This thing looks absolutely awesome. Made some really nice power. Can't wait for this gentleman to get this thing into the project. He's putting this thing into a project that's called the Sea Serpent, which is going to be some cool customized van with dual rear axles. I think this should be really sweet, so stay tuned in the future for some pictures up on Facebook and Instagram. If you're interested in having something like this built for your ride, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take you over to Dyno.
All right, Robin, this is the Sea Serpent project. Got your 7.3 Godzilla supercharged engine. We're gonna pull this bad boy up and see what kind of power we get. You think you're gonna love it.